Car and Chill. My name's Stan.
That was a little loud, buddy.
Yeah, it was so loud. That was like 1500, dude. Barely tapped it. Welcome back to another episode of Race Car and Chill. Today, we're not doing much race carring. I'm at work. I've been at work the last, week or so. My old company is where I'm working where I used to work at my old job. I used to run a valet parking company. So this is the biggest valet operation in the state. We're gonna move thousands of cars a day with sometimes up to 100 employees per shift. But valeting cars at Barrett Jackson is no joke, but it's a lot of fun. And again, I don't work for the company anymore. I just came on to help out. This is just a fun job that all my old friends work here, so every year it's like a reunion. We all get back together and we park tons of cars. Let me show you guys what valeting at Barrett Jackson's like. So this is my 6th Barrett Jackson that I'm working, so I've been doing this quite a while. One of the most important things you need to know as far as insider information is where to go to the bathroom, because there's thousands and thousands and thousands of people that come out to Barrett Jackson, and as you can imagine, it's a whole week-long event. By the end of the week, the bathrooms are just disgusting. So you gotta find the ones that are hidden in the back. There's the show way over there. We have golf carts at our disposal, and we take the golf carts to the far bathrooms for our morning poops. So hopefully the audio won't be too bad since I'm on the golf cart and it's loud and windy, but I just got into the show. This, again, hasn't opened yet. It's way early. But, you know, there's a bunch of vendors here. If you don't know what Barrett Jackson is, you're probably not a car enthusiast. And most all car enthusiasts know about Barrett Jackson. It's the largest automotive auction in the world. It's held every year here in Scottsdale, Arizona. But they have any kind of car you can think of, from old classics to Porsches to brand new cars. Oh, hold on, the IT guy's saying what's up. I'll be right back. Anyway, back to this, what we were talking about. Check out some of these cars here. These are just two of the tents that are outside. There's probably a dozen or so tents full of cars. Anything you can think of is out here. They even have airplanes and boats. Lots of money comes out to Barrett Jackson. Lots of money to be made. Lots of money being spent. I'm on my way to go fill up this golf cart because our lot is so big. We shuttle our valets to the cars from our key tent. So once this golf cart gets filled up, I'm probably gonna make a couple more runs. We've got like 7 golf carts that I need to fill up. But where the golf carts stay is right next to the test track here. Ford and Dodge gives out test drives here in Mustangs and Hellcats and basically most of the cars they sell. And it's 2 tracks in one actually. It's kind of hard to see, but there's like an outer track and an inner track. On the outer track, it's a professional driver driving, and they're like sliding Demons and Mustangs around. They had Vipers here last year, but not this year. And on the inside track, it's actually customers that are test driving. So you can have Joe Schmo, Billy Bob test driving a car with a professional driver just drifting around him. Kind of cool. Another one of my favorite things about events like this is when you work it, when you have a golf cart and you have like a work uniform, you can literally go anywhere you want. It's like wearing an orange construction vest. You can go anywhere you want. No one says anything. It's a big event. There's a lot going on, so I'm working. It's Friday. I've probably got 90 hours into this week. I'm basically just going home to take a nap and shower and coming back. I slept out here 2 nights already this week. We have an RV for all the managers, So a lot of work, a lot of hours. It's so much fun. It's a love-hate relationship working Barrett Jackson because the hours are long, the work is stressful, there's a lot going on, but it's all the friends and the ex-employees that all come back, and it's like a big reunion, and it's just ass grabbing and dick jokes all day long, all the boys. It's good stuff, and good cars too. Check this car out though. I'm not a fan, but I can appreciate the car. Say what up to YouTube, John.
What's up, YouTube?
John's one of the homies, but check this out. This is serial number 008 Dodge Demon. He's been coming in all week, so we put him right next to our operations tent. It's about as close as you can get. I know my shadow's in this, it's gonna ruin it, but look at all that rubber caked onto this thing. So I've driven it a couple times this week. Again, when I say I drive the car, we're driving it on a dirt lot. It's not like I can do anything fun. But he's definitely got rubber all over the other side of the car. On this side of the car, not much. So he definitely does donuts on the left-hand side. But Dodge Demon, number 008. This is gonna be just one of the cool-ass cars I'm gonna show you guys today.
That was a white 517.
Row of Chargers and Challengers. Supercar row is super weak this year. Something's weird. Car counts are way off, but there's Ferrari. Let my buddy Jason park out his very first Ferrari, and it was stick shift, which is super rare nowadays. There's California here. Vintage Porsche action. R8. Another Ferrari. That's the manual one. Actually, let me show you guys. So the gated shifter. It's a slow day. Usually we're packed.
Get these golf carts out of the way. Hey! The manager to take it out.
Woo! The cart's in the way.
Apparently it just
You should move out.
better at driving cars. Hard to start.
Go forward. Gio, just watch me. Go forward and turn right a little bit. Just straighten it out. Right there. Good. Straight. Good. Now to put it in park, just push that button on top. Sweet. That's my buddy Jason. He also has a turbo IS300, and we actually just swapped his trans to the AR5, if you saw that video. He owns that AR5 swapped IS300. He came out to help me, and I put him in a Ferrari, and we just put him in an i8 too. It's a fun job. Saturday morning, last day of Barrett Jackson, last full day at least. Sunday is the last day, that's when the breakdown is. The sun is finally up. We've been up for 3 hours now. We've been up since like 5. It's time to start parking some cars. Today should be a better day. Another beautiful day. It's raining. It just got done sprinkling. And it always does at Barrett Jackson. It sucks though because it's mud. Whitty.
What's up? Race car and chill. Barrett Jackson day.
You're so boring, dude. Get excited.
I'm tired. It's been a long week, all right?
Yeah! Barrett Jackson! Chugging Red Bulls in front of the Lambos and Ferraris. Crank it all the way. So big. Bentley SUV. Don't see that every day. And this Viper, customer parked himself and took his keys with good reason. I know it doesn't look like much, but it's Viper ACR, built by Hennessy, or tuned by it, and it's got a serial number 001 on the dash. Classic rolls. And this G-Wagon doesn't look like anything too crazy, but Dale Earnhardt Jr. himself pulled up in this thing like it was no big deal. These things are so comfy. That was perfect right there. The noses are lined up. Woo. That's good. That's good. Carbon fiber steering wheel.
My boy Stamp, race car and chill. Straight out of Saudi. God damn, check out the chrome on this thing.
Signed by the test driver.
What? That's sick.
Told you, this job is pretty sick. It's a regular Audi key, the only difference being this little end here with the bolt. Yeah, you're good. With the gated shifter. Dang! Swag points all day. Alright, let's go. My buddy Spencer in the Mercy. Hey, come this way. Left side. Come this way. man.
That was a little loud, buddy.
That's so loud. That was like 1500, dude. Barely tapped it.
Sounded so good. Flip that ignition.
Oh yeah, right? All right, you gonna turn this light on or what?
Fucking do it, dude.
Come on, brother.
Fucking do it.
On the wrong side, brother.
Side.
This thing's got prickles. Bet you can't find it. Bet.
Bet.
Go. Show me where it's at.
So easy.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom. You done?
No,
You done?
Yet. No, not yet.
All right. Nope. How much time do we give you? How much time do we give you, Martin? Aren't you a professional valet? Are you reading instructions right now? Dog. Okay, first things first. Breaker, 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 breaker. Come on. Glow plug here.
I got it.
Come on, dude.
And as soon as that turns green, it's good to go.
Right here, that's when you send it, dude. Even if it's not ready, I'm gonna send it anyway. Bam, 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 bam. Let there be light.
Ooh, that was whack.
Oh, this one looks real easy?
Yeah.
All right, show us what you got. No pressure or anything, but there's barbed wire on your ass.
Okay, so you gotta just do this and then.
Yep. 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 Sounds like my turbo car. Oh.
Boom,
Okay.
boom, 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 boom.
Okay. All right. Okay, player.